Hello friends, today we will discuss about the sixth problem on probability distribution. Now the problem statement is, let capital X be a discrete random variable with PMF, that means the probability mass function, and given that when the Pxk, that means k is equal to the random variable value is equal to 0, that is 0.2 the probability, the k is equal to 1 for that is 0.2, when k is equal to 2 that is 0.3, for k is equal to 3 that is 0.3, otherwise for any other values of k that is the probability 0. We have to find out, define y, that is another random variable where that has been described in the way y is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. We have to find out the PMF of y. So according to the definition of y, we have to check what the values of y can take. Suppose we are giving it as small y, that is those are the values of the random variable capital Y, where that has been described as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So let's check when k is equal to 0, the value is becoming like 0 into 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2, or that one is 0. When k is equal to 1, that means small x is equal to 1, that is 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2, or that one is giving us the result of y as 0. Then when that is 2, that means 2 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, or that is also giving the same result, or the random variable value of y as 0. Now when k is equal to 3, that means 3 into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2, or that is 3 into 1 into 2, or that is 6. So already we can found out from this calculation that y can take only the value of 0 and 6. So what should be the PMF? Now for 0, for when k is equal to 0, 1 or 2, all the values give the values of random variable y as 0. So it may take the result as 0.2 plus 0.2, that is 0.4, plus 0.3, that is 0.7. So for 0, when that is y, we can say py is equal to 0.7. And other value that is 6, and then it is giving us the result for 0.3, and finally we can get 0.3 plus 0.7 is equal to 1. So if we look at the problem statement, that is ry is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, that has been kept as small k here. So that means x belonging to 0, 1, 2, 3, where y have the values as 0 and 6 only from that calculation. So when p y is equal to 0, that means y is equal to 0, that is giving us p x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 2. So that means p 0 plus p 1 plus px 2, that means 0.7, or once again 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 or 0.7. Now when x is equal to 3, that has give us the y random variable value as 6, and that was giving us the 0.3. So what is the PMF of y? So PMF of y is equal to, for k is equal to 0, that is 0.7, for k is equal to 6, that is 0.3, otherwise that is 0. So that is how we can find out the PMF of another random variable that can be derived from the random variable x.